Leather Reverie is a bold and sophisticated fragrance that opens with striking top notes of saffron and birch tar, delivering a spicy and smoky introduction. The heart is rich with the resinous warmth of benzoin and styrax, adding depth and a subtle sweetness. As the scent settles, the base reveals an intense combination of leather agarwood, oud, and labdanum, creating a deep smoky and rich finish. This fragrance exudes a sense of rugged elegance and mystery, perfect for those who appreciate strong leathery and resinous scents with a dark, luxurious character. Performance elements for Leather Reverie. Longevity. Excellent with the resinous and leather notes, providing long-lasting wear. Expect the fragrance to last 8 to 12 hours, especially on clothing and in cooler weather. Sillage. Strong to moderate. The bold notes of saffron, birch tar, leather, and oud create a noticeable presence, projecting well during the first few hours before gradually softening into a more intimate trail. Projection. High during the initial phase, especially with the smoky birch tar and leather notes. The fragrance will create a robust aura around the wearer, ideal for making a statement in formal settings. Season. Best suited for fall and winter due to its warm, smoky, and rich composition. The deep resinous and leather tones pair well with cooler temperatures, adding a sense of warmth and depth. Occasion. Ideal for evening wear, formal events, or special occasion. The boldness and sophistication of Leather Reverie make it a perfect choice for those looking to stand out or make a lasting impression. Type. Leathery, smoky, and resinous with a luxurious and rugged appeal that is both intense and refined. Style. Elegant, masculine, and confident. This fragrance exudes power and authority, making it well-suited for those who prefer strong, daring scents. Mood. Dark, mysterious, and sensual, evoking a sense of rugged sophistication with a refined edge. It's a fragrance for someone who wants to project confidence and allure. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar or to create eau de parfum. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.